Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to connect your GitHub account to your Linux server. So we're going to be using a token. We're going to be creating a token on GitHub. We're going to be creating a token on GitHub and we'll be creating a repository. So I've just created this repository called YouTube tutorials. So to create a repository, just click on new repository. You choose the name of the repository, okay? You put the description for the repository. It can either be private or public. And next, you click on create repository. So once you follow that steps, you're going to have YouTube tutorials. So please take 1 minute to subscribe to this channel. So now let's dive in. Make sure you have a server. I have a server already created. If you don't know how to create a server, uh, just go to the description of this video. You're going to see how to create a Linux server, be it Amazon Linux, be it Red Hat, or be it Ubuntu, okay? So you just need to launch a server and you're good to go. Once you launch your server, just click on connect. You copy here, okay? And you see where your key is, because when creating a server, you're going to have a key, right? Mine is demokey.pem. You see where the key is and you connect just the way I did here. So I'm already connected, okay? I can just exit and connect back. Exit. To connect back, I'm in download, right? I just sit in download my keys, I paste that, and I am connected. So you can see I am connected, okay? So now I'm going to make a directory for this our project. I'm going to make a directory called test, okay? Now sit into test and initialize that test. I've sit into test, right? I'm going to initialize as a git repository, git init, okay? So I'm going to initialize that. I'm going to initialize that. So you can see it says initialize empty repository, okay? So if we do git remote -v, we have no repository clone, right? So I want to clone this repository. So what's the aim of this video? To show you how to pull and push, like to show you how to authenticate your GitHub so you can be able to pull and push, okay? So now that we have no repository, the next thing we're going to do is we'll configure this server, right, before we start working. So first, before we configure this server, let's just create a file, touch a file in this directory. Let's call this file test dot test.sh, the shell script, okay? Now if we do ls, we have touch.sh. I'm just going to write something into this file and append, okay? And append. This is a YouTube video. So this is just an example, right? I'm going to append it inside test.sh. Perfect. So if we cut test.sh, we'll have that content, right? We have that content. This is a YouTube video. So now if we do git status, you're going to notice that our file is still in the working environment, right? It's in the working environment. So I want to move this. I'm assuming that you know the git steps, right? But I'm still going to show you. So I'm going to write run git add file name. It can be git add test.sh, okay? Or if you have a lot of files, you should make sure that you should use this dot stands for present working directory. Every file that's in the present working directory, okay? Perfect. If we now do git status, you'll notice our file now is in the staging environment. So we want to move it to our local repository. So we have to commit, right? So our commit would fail because the system, your commit will fail because the system does not know you, okay? But me, I'd already configured mine. So mine might go through. Let me just see. What's the commit? Let me say bug fix. Git commit -m for message. Perfect. So mine has committed, right? Because the system already knows me. But yours is going to fail. So let me show you what to do. You have to configure, right? You have to run git config -- global, your username, okay? So you have to run this command. You have to copy this. It's going to ask you, who are you? The system will ask you, I don't know you, who are you? Okay. So you have to run git config. That's your email. What is your email? My email can be YouTube James at yahoo@gmail.com. Okay. Put your email here and you click next. Okay. That is the command git config dash global user.email encode your email. Next, what do? You now configure your username. What is your GitHub username? What is your GitHub username? What is your GitHub username? If I go to GitHub, this is my, let me show you my GitHub username rapidly. This is my username, right? Learn. Okay, this is my username. So you should see your username. Okay, so then now you have your username. You're also going to git config dash global user.name learn. Okay, you just edit this and you add your name. Mine is learn. Okay, and you click enter. Now that we now have our file in the in our local repository, we now want to clone that repository, right? If we do git remote dash v, we have no repository here. So we want to clone this repo. We want to clone this repo, YouTube tutorials. So we have two ways to clone it, using SSH and using HTTP. We'll use HTTP, okay? So I'll copy this. I'll do let me copy the command which comes with it. Git remote at origin. This is it, okay? This is it. Enter. So if we run git remote dash v now, you'll notice that we now have our remote repo in our local. Now, as default, your system might have a master branch. If I do git branch, mine is master. Okay. So as default, your system comes with a master branch. So now GitHub uses a main branch. GitHub uses a main branch. So you have to switch this name to main. So we're going to switch that name from master to main. Okay. So I'm going to switch it rapidly. So these are very simple commands, right? What's that? So these are very simple commands. Left click, copy. So now if we run by git branch, we now have main. So we now want to push. We now want to push. So before you push, you'll be asked to create a token, okay? So you'll be asked to pass your token. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to click git push, copy git push dash u. Origin stands for alias name and main is the branch name, okay? So I'll click on this. Now it's asking for your username you configure. What is your username? Mine is learn. Enter. It's asking for password. As default, GitHub does no longer accept password, but it accepts what we call authentication keys. So now you have to create an authentication key on GitHub. So click on settings. Click on settings. You scroll down to developer settings. You click on personal access token classic. You click generate new token. Generate a new token, new classic, okay? It's going to ask for your password, for your PIN or your password or authentication. It's going to ask that. So make sure you put it correctly, okay? So now I'll say this token, or I can say token for SSH. Token for Linux server authentication. So expiration date, you can choose the date you want, right? You can choose 90 days, no expiration, but just choose 30 days. Now add some privileges, okay? Add some privileges. depending on what you be doing with this token. So don't just add everything, okay? Now I'm adding all of this because I'll be using all of this for the next YouTube videos, okay? These are permissions. These are permissions, okay? Then next, you generate the token. Perfect. My token is generated. Now, you have to be very careful. Once this token has been generated, you receive an email from GitHub, telling you that this token should be kept very carefully, okay? So I'm going to keep my token very careful. I'm going to keep my token very careful. So I'm not going to paste this token so you see it, okay? You're not going to see this token. I'm just going to paste it here, keep my token here because for security purposes, token, I'm going to paste it there, okay? You're not going to see that. Now, when you have copied your token, once you have copied, okay, I'm just going to delete. Let me just paste. I forgot. I'm going to delete. So that's it. That's my token. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete as this video is done, okay? So just come here. You paste your token. You're not going to see it. Paste, enter. Perfect. We have push. So once you paste, for security purpose, you're not going to see the token, okay? You're not going to see the token. So we have pushed. Now we should go to our GitHub. We should go to our GitHub. Let me delete the token immediately. Delete. Delete. Perfect. So I've deleted the token, right? Because I'm done with the course. So let me go to that GitHub. It was organizations, like the systems, repositories, YouTube tutorials, server updated. Perfect. So we have our file, test.sh, bug fix. This is a YouTube video. So if you like this video, please subscribe. With this fast tutorial, you're now able to authenticate your Linux server with your GitHub, and you can push and pull without any issues now. It becomes easy. So if you like this video, subscribe. Our next video will be on how to use SSH for authentications. So SSH and GPG key to be able to push and pull, okay? So what we use is a token. So if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. And if you want any video, you can comment in the comment section about GitHub. If you have any challenges, we're going to help you. You can go on and register for our course. If you want to be certified in Kubernetes, if you want to be certified in AWS, just comment in the comment section and we'll help you. All right. Take care and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.